Imagine an environment that goes beyond just playing music into a room for rest and relaxation. Imagine an environment that truly transitions and immerses you in a wow experience that is beyond words. Sound Solutions develops highly effective, efficient, and customized acoustic relaxation environments that de-stress the body-mind in minutes.
Good. Much better.
Oh, good.
You can feel that like in your lungs and your heart.
There you go.
Very fun.
All right. Thanks for coming
Neat
over.
product.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah. How do you feel?
Wonderful. I know who would love this. My husband would love this. He would love this too. Kind of calm.
Had fun.
Yeah, all in 15 minutes.
Sound uses dynamic acoustic resonance technology to deliver harmonically intelligent and uniquely personal experiences for sound health and well-being.
It's so intrinsically relaxing for me and many of my clients that it's 7 minutes and the right brain turns on, people start losing track of time, they start dreaming, they start lucid dreaming. It changes the environment, the interpretive, perceptive environment of stress.
As a pioneer in the growing fields of vibrational medicine, sound, and music therapy, Sound shares years of experience in working with many diverse companies and experts. Psychotherapists have been successfully utilizing the Sound Lounger for more than 15 years to support stress, anxiety, and pain management.
I've used it mainly to work with stress management and pain reduction and helping people achieve a real balanced and grounded state. Anybody that has a lot of anxiety, discomfort, worry, get off the chair and talk about literally feeling younger, literally feeling at peace and balanced, more calm than they felt since they can remember. And a lot of that's because they are able to, while in a conscious state, fully relax, fully release all muscular tension. And that allows the brain, which is always studying the body's systems, to notice that state, and it shuts down the rest of the stress response, because once the brain notices that the muscular tension isn't there, the heart rate slows down. Once it notices that the heart rate slows down, it knows to shut down the rest of the stress response, because the brain has learned the connection between fast heart rate and stress. And once it notices that the heart is really slowing down, notices it feels safe and comfortable, then it's able to much more easily trust shutting down all the rest of the stress response.
Chiropractors, physical therapists, massage, craniosacral therapists, and others are significantly enhancing their clients' experience by modifying existing treatment tables to resonate the body, thus increasing the potential of any treatment.
It's just quicker. Everything is faster. And it blows me away sometimes. When people first get on the table, usually the first 3 words are, "Oh my God." It's nice to hear, It's nice to hear when someone's like, you do what on this? And you're like, okay, get ready. You're going to feel something that you never felt before.
Coaches, personal trainers, yoga, Pilates, martial artists, and other movement teachers are taking their class and their students to the next level with the Sound Yoga Board or Studio Floor. Resorts and spas are providing refreshingly unique, highly impactful, and profitable options for their guests, while differentiating themselves within the industry. Architectural and furniture design companies are differentiating themselves while taking ergonomics to the next level. Co-creating sound sleep environments with industry-leading bedding manufacturers. Developing far-infrared sauna and steam room environments with industry leaders and suppliers. Designing treatment tables and loungers with world-renowned spa and medical equipment manufacturers. Designing yoga, dance, and other specialty needs flooring for enhanced body-mind awareness, stress and pressure reduction, and sensory integrative learning. Sound Solutions' patented acoustic resonance technology and uniquely composed musical program offerings incorporate 30-plus years of research and development in working with advanced composites, electrical design, musical instrumentation and acoustic design, advanced musical training, teaching and performing, musical composition, and sacred geometry. Sound Solutions is integrating technologies, products, and programs with practical application training to help spas, resorts, therapists, teachers, and consumers alike enjoy sound health and well-being. Sound Solutions is providing expert knowledge, experience, and design support in co-creating harmonically intelligent environments that offer transformational sound living experiences.